There is a lot of situation that we have no control over in life. You may need to acknowledge the area that you have no control over and let go and surrender it. For example, you have no control over another person's behavior. Realizing that helps us to let go of wanting to control the behavior of another person. Write down your worries in the journal. It is a way to put your worries down on paper instead of letting them overwhelm your mind, body and heart. When you can write down your worries, you will be able to see your worries on paper. You will have a sense of control over it. After you have written down your worries on the paper, you start to classify your worries into 2 categories. One of the categories is worries that you have no control over. Another category is worries that you can manage. Doing so helps you to see your worries in perspective. For the worries that you have no control over, you simply have to surrender them to God or higher authority and let go of them by writing them down on paper and tearing it away as a symbolic meaning of letting go. For the worries that you have control over, you start to write a plan of action. Focus your energy to do your best. This is the area that you can manage and do something about it. Do your best effort. You can record your thoughts and experience. Write it down in your journal. You can also draw to express your experience. It is a mindfulness practice. It helps you to pay attention to the present moment. Let go of the past regret and worry about the future.